We hope that not only our fourth graders learn about the importance of Veterans Day, and of course the history behind it, we also hope they know the importance of honoring those who have served.
This land is your land, this land is my land, from California to the New York Islands, from the Redwood Forest.
Every year on November 11th, Americans pay tribute to veterans from every branch of the armed forces. This holiday was originally called Armistice Day.
Every single veteran takes an oath, and they take an oath to protect the Constitution. And the Constitution applies to all of us, every single person in this room. You can be 9 or 10 years old, you can be an adult, you can be a civilian, you can be a veteran, you can be an active duty service member, but it applies to us. Every single veteran in here has contributed to something that endures, that's going to stick around and hopefully be here for you guys, and they've done it through valor, and that is uncommon courage.